Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is May bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Two of Wands with the Death card. I think for some there is an ending between you and your person. For some you are in no contact. If you are in relationship with this person, this is on and off connection. Yes. I think I'm seeing a lot of you here one type of ending between you and your person and you're still thinking about them. For some you have options also. And for some you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. But here Cancer, you are thinking about them a lot. Yes. Or for some you are thinking about someone or something a lot of thinking. So let's see our reading. Recent past, the world, the strength and the fool. So the person involved in this connection could be Leo. Some cycles are already ended between you and your person and you both are in long distance relationship. I think in recent past you started focusing on yourself, on your self growth, and you are going with the flow, living in the present moment. You are enjoying the full energy, that is living in the present moment. So you in recent past you focused on yourself, and for some cycles are ended between you and your person. Then present 10 of swords, 8 of swords and 9 of pentacles. I think when you are in this relationship you're feeling stuck, you are in a lot of pain, maybe they are in and out of your life, there is no commitment. Then you decided to focus on your career. Yes. So 9 of pentacles, you are dreaming about to become financially stable. You decided to work towards your goals. Yes. You want to see in this energy. You want to be in this energy. 9 of pentacles. You want to be independent financially and emotionally. Then future, 9 of cups, queen of swords and 8 of pentacles. So you are wishing for this and you set healthy boundaries because you want best and you deserve best. And 8 of pentacles, you dreaming about 9 of pentacles and you started working on it. 8 of pentacles here. Yes, you started working towards your goals. Yes, it is slow moving, but it is stable. Definitely you will reach your goals. When you work hard consistently, definitely you will reach your goals and your wish fulfillment. Definitely wishes are going to be granted. Cancer. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Leo especially, or Scorpio. So Cancer, let's see your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, Queen of Wands with Wheel of Fortune. So your person may be very dominative, very aggressive in nature. So they want to take action or they're thinking about to make action. So let's see their current feelings, Cancer. Temperance, again Queen of Wands, Queen of Pentacles and the Lovers with 7 of Cups. So there is love, definitely there is love. I think the person is patiently waiting, maybe right time. And Queen of Wands, they're planning to make action. And Queen of Pentacles, For some right now, one person in this connection focused on their career, but they're planning to make action towards you. There is love, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius or Gemini, especially. So they're planning to communicate with you. For some, your person have options also. For some, they are fantasizing about you a lot. So let's see their intentions. 5 of Pentacles with 5 of Cups. For some, you, lot of you are in separation with this person right now. They are missing you so much. They are suffering in silence. Yes, 5 of Pentacles with 5 of Cups. Wow. And they want reunion with you if you are in separation, because 4 of Wands, for some you both are in twin flame journey. They are spying on you. Yes, they are spying on you on social media, because they're waiting for right time to approach you, and they want to express their feelings to you. In past, maybe they are having hard time to express their feelings, because here 4 of Pentacles in straight, definitely they want to say something, and they're waiting for right time, and they're spying on you. So when the right time will come, definitely they will make action very soon. They are missing you so much, Cancer. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, communication, text. They want to test the waters before coming towards you. They keep tabs on you. They're feeling overburdened, because these emotions, I think emotions are running high. Definitely, they are feeling overburdened, and they want to express their true feelings. For some, your person are busy with their work or family issues, but they're feeling missed opportunity with you, and they want to text you, or they want to say apology to you. Yes, they want to fix the things between both of you, communication. I think you are in no contact situation right now, Cancer, and you are also feeling overburdened, and you are thinking about them a lot, but they are planning to come back. This time they are taking it very seriously, but they're in slow moving energy, but they're coming back with an offer. Yeah, they want to offer stability, and you also healing yourself, but thinking about them a lot. See, Wheel of Fortune and the Devil. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. I think you both are obsessed with each other, and for some, you both are addicted to each other. For some, one person is toxic for the other person, one person is very dominative, but things will get better in divine timing. Definitely, both are waiting for divine timing, or this connection will go into next level when the time will come. Yes, divine timing plays key role, because the mutual card is Wheel of Fortune is here. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Cancer. I am not feel good enough for you. Holding back. Age difference. I'm serious about you. Will you forgive me? And past life connection. So the messages are, they are not feeling good enough for you. For some, they are holding back because they are waiting for right time. Age difference. Will you forgive me? And they are serious about you. These are the messages from your person, and take what resonates. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Cancer. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. Believe in the impossible, blue moon. So the answers you need are coming. Definitely, if you're waiting for any answers, definitely the answers you need are coming, especially when full moon in Gemini. and believe in the impossible. Yes, believe in the impossible, blue moon. So these are the messages for you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.